If you want to access Temu support or Temu customer service live chat, this is how you're going to do it. So first up, you're going to make sure that you have Temu installed in your phone. And then from here, you're just going to head over to the bottom of the page or the bottom of the app until you see this U button. You're going to click on the U button, and then from there you can see this icon which looks like a headset. So this is their contact support icon. Now, what you're going to do from the support page is just going to scroll all the way down until you find this contact us button. So if you cannot find your problem listed right here, these are the common problems that the users are currently facing in the Temu app. So if you can't find it right there, you can just scroll all the way down and then click on this contact us button. Now from here, you'll be able to chat with the Temu customer service and be able to relay your problem with them. And that's it. That is how you can contact Temu customer service live chat. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have any more questions, you can drop them in the comments below. Or if you need more tutorials, you can just find them from our channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.